Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Monday, February 6, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning with us for your headlines as we work through this Monday. I'll remind you that we'll have warm temperatures continue at least through midweek. Chance of rain tonight, then more of a snow-rain mix on Thursday. Keep an eye on the forecast from the National Weather Service, Milwaukee Sullivan. As we do, we'll share that on our updates in the morning time. But here this evening, let's start off with election information as we are just a few weeks away from the spring primary. Let's take a look here. Thought today I'd share the Aldermanic Districts. Let's take a look. District 1, that includes wards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're at the at the Catholic Multicultural Center for voting. That's 5256 Verona Road in Fitchburg. Your entrance is off Anton Drive, mind you. District 2, wards 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 22. You're at the Wyndham Garden Hotel, 2969 Cahill, Maine in Fitchburg. District 3, that's wards 11, 12, 13, 14. You're at the Fitchburg Community Center, 5510 Lacey Road here right next to us at City Hall. District 3, wards 23, 24, and 25. You're at Doxa Church, 2700 Novation Parkway here in Fitchburg. And District number 4, wards 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. You're at Fire Station number 1, 5791 Lacey Road. This is a reminder that none of our polling locations changed or will be changing unless we let you know. But the plan is to stick forward with those locations at this time. And any other information about election information can be found through our website, fitchburgwi.gov. You can click on the voting page through our clerk's department. Stoner Prairie Master Plan Open House and Public Meeting is happening this week. Your final reminder here, the City of Fitchburg Stoner Prairie Park Master Plan set forth the general park layout and allowing for opportunity for implementation as budget dollars are available on February 8th at 6:30 p.m. You can come and learn about the park and future plans, and if you would like to join via Zoom to speak, you can send an email to Scott Endel, his information on the screen, or else you can come in person or watch through Fact TV. I'll be in the Francis Huntley Cooper Council Chambers, located at 5520 Lacey Road here in the City Hall. Also ending this week is the Dane County Housing Strategy Community Housing Survey. They are looking for feedback. That's Dane County residents and their housing needs and challenges. And what they are working on is the Community Housing Survey is open now and remain now through February 9th. The survey will assist consultants and Housing Advisory Committee members as they continue to work on regional housing strategy. So please take the time to complete the survey and share with others. And that can be found through the Dane County's website for full details on the plan, and there we also share the link when we share our headlines, so you can get the link and go and check it out for yourself and fill it out, and please share it with others. Valentine's Day Disco Party. Senior Center is back with another fun party. Check this out, happening this week, Wednesday, February 8th. Get your dance shoes on as DJ Melissa, met her on Friday night, super nice person by the way, be rocking the house for a disco party on Wednesday, February 8th from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. No reservations or sweetheart required, but if you would like to start with lunch, you better get your name in here, 608-270-4290 the day before by 9 a.m. Otherwise, just come out for a fun dance. Should be awesome. Evening Book Club returns on Wednesday, February 8th. Evening Book Club is held on the second Wednesday of each month in the library meeting room. Please join us for this month's book, All My Rage. By Saba Tara. Hopefully I'm saying that right, probably not. Either way, copies of the book are available at the library second floor reference desk. Registration is not required. 6:30 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library meeting room. And finally, it's Flood Insurance Awareness Week in Wisconsin. With April showers right around the corner, you want to stay tuned to the social media channels as they take a deep dive into the importance of having homeowners insurance. Most homeowners insurance policies do not cover flooding. So the Wisconsin Office of Commissioners of Insurance will be sharing great safety tips all week long. Have a great day, everyone.